How to share multiple response in the same Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share multiple responses on the same Instagram story. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your story where you have posted your question, and if you swipe up, you'll find all of your answers here. Now, what you want to do is simply tap on the response that you want to add to your story and then click on Share Response. Now, once you do that, you can just click an image or create a background. So just tap on background and tap on done. Now you are just going to adjust this and then you're going to go ahead and tap on save. So once you do that, you can just go back again, discard this, and follow the same steps. So choose another response, tap on share response. Now you're just going to go ahead and add the previous response like this and adjust it where you want to share it, and then save it again. So you're just going to repeat this process. And once you are done doing that, you can just tap on it and share your response again. And finally, once you are done, you can just save this and you can directly post it without saving as well. So just tap on post. And now all of your responses will be shared in a single story. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.